Do you want to learn how to make an AI call agent with the help of Newoaks AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to this website, which is newoaks.ai. I've put the link in the description. If you go through that link and buy one of their plans, it may give me a small commission. Now on their website, you can find it says your AI sales team that never sleeps. So you can turn every call, text, or message into booked appointments automatically on phone, website, and social media. So you can basically make these type of chatbots that you see here on the bottom right. You can click on this. This is the type of chatbot you can create. And in my opinion, I think it is much better than using something like Intercom, which is very expensive. So here, they also have these agent templates, so you can build your AI apps with ease. You can just go for this AI leasing agent Sarah, which works great. And you can go to My Chatbots over here. Inside it, you can create a new chatbot by clicking on this button, or you can create a new chatbot from template. So for example, here, I can choose a template. I can go for real estate and choose a data source. So it can be Google Sheets. If you would go for e-commerce, it's going to give you the data source as WooCommerce as well, which is a plugin for WordPress. So let's just select Google Sheets here. Now it says Google Sheets URL. So it says open example template and create your own Google Sheets URL, but make a copy of the template Google Sheets. So what you can do is click on this button, go to the sheet here, and you can make a copy of this by clicking on the file and make a copy like this. And now in the fields, you can start typing in the values here, like the email, phone number, contact person, and such. Now, once you're done with this, you can go back here and paste in the Google Sheets URL. And they're going to automatically crawl it offline. After the crawling is completed, we will generate a chatbot for you that way. Once you're done, it's going to generate a chatbot. Now let's go back to chatbots and create a new chatbot. Now you can also use these data sources. So files, you can upload files here. Supported file types are PDF, doc, docx, and txt. You can also choose from other chatbots. Now there is text. So you can just add the data here in the form of text, and there's website. So if you have data on your website that you want to include in the chatbot, you can just include the URL here and fetch the links, or you can also include the sitemap and load the sitemap and such. So let's say, for example, I will type in here amazon.com and fetch links. Now it says here that it has found one link. There's Q&A. You can go for question and answer here, and the Google Sheets again. So you can have a Google Sheet, click on this, make a copy of this, and then fill in the details, and then paste the Google Sheet URL here. Make sure to go for share and anyone with link when you're doing this, which is over here, share. And then inside here, you can make sure to have anyone with link selected. Now, once done, you can create a chatbot. Now it's going to train our chatbot based on the website that we provided. And now it's going to have this. It says here new chatbot. And this is the preview on the right. Now this is a chatbot. Inside it, we have create conversational workflow. Now you can train it by giving it prompts here and name it AI chatbot from the future and such. Reset CSS to its default value. Like I said here, an AI chatbot from the future, it changed it on here. And on the right, we have preview, so you can see it in action here. I can just type on the left to make changes to this chatbot. For example, I can say change color to red, and it changes the color of our chatbot window to red. Now, just like that, you can command it and make changes to the appearance of the chatbot and such. Now, we also got settings on the right. This is the name of the chatbot. You can make changes to it. The flow builder, the current prompt. Make changes to the current prompt if you want. There's prompt template, so you can select these templates here. There's safety prompt switch, error message, model. You can select from these models. They also have an option for Cloud A, so you can go for Cloud A if you don't want to use ChatGPT. You can also include your own BYOK, which is bring your own key into this. There's temperature and time zone. Now on the left, we also have chat interface. This is the same thing which we were doing on the chatbot, so you can just ask it in chatbot to make changes to it. But here, it's a much more hands-on approach, so you can just make changes to it, like the initial messages, suggested messages, and such. Use custom CSS and all that. Basically, customize it as per your liking. There's security next, where you can rate limit and such, visibility, leads, domains, If you want to have your own custom domain for this, you can add it. Appointments and custom live chat. Appointments, so you can enable appointments. You can add Google Calendar authentication. You can also add Calendly authentication and such. There is custom live chat, so you can add custom live chat. Then there is leads on the right. So whatever leads it captures on this chatbot from your website, it's going to display here in the leads section, and the appointments and voice logs. Now there's also chat logs, which is going to display here. So all the chats that happen on your website, it's going to display on this page. There's sources. There's sources. So these are the sources. We already have selected one, which is amazon.com. So it's going to train on that website. Now embed on site. So you can copy this iframe, go to your WordPress, and on the WordPress, you can have a custom HTML block. Inside it, you can just copy this iframe there, and it's going to be embedded as an iframe on your website page. If you want to have this as a bubble on the bottom right, you can just include this script in a header or footer plugin on WordPress. There's also a share direct link of chatbot that you can copy from here, but most probably you would just need this script and include it in your header or footer of your website. Now, next to this, we have integrations. You got Google integration, Twilio integration, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Now, next to this, we have Voice AI. This is something new that they have added. So Twilio Voice, there's call transfer. You can call transfer feature seamlessly connects customers to human support agents when requested. There's also unlock premium features, which they have. So web voice call and such. There's also delete, so you can delete this chatbot. Now, let's also take a look at this feature, which is on their website. On the bottom, you'll find this bar, which says talk to AI agent Sarah, and you can pick the call or decline the call. So let's take the call here.
Hello, this is your AI assistant, Sarah. How may I help you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. How can I assist you today?
Do you guys have WordPress plugin for this tool?
Currently, I don't have specific information about a WordPress plugin for Newoaks AI. However, you can integrate our services into your website using iframes or chat bubbles. Would you like more information on how to do that?
Yes, that would be awesome.
I'm glad you think so. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. All good.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
And as you can see here that the AI agent talked with me in real time, and I was able to converse with it and ask it questions like you would ask a real person. How cool is that, right? You can make your own like this using Newoaks AI. Now that we are done with our demo, let's take a look at some of their pricing plans. And it starts off at $19 per month. You get 2 chatbots and a lot of these features. And if you go for professional, this is probably the recommended one. You get all of these other features available inside it. And if you switch to yearly, you can get a 20% off on the plans if you go for yearly. In my honest opinion, I would suggest going with professional plan instead of going with essential, as this includes a lot of different features that you would need in your business. And if you're a big company and you want more than 10 chatbots, you can go for enterprise, which is on the right, which is $299 per month. And it essentially gives you the same features as professional. It does increase some of the limits, like 40,000 messages credits per month, and more team members, like 5 more team members, chatbots increase, and such. And that's it. This is how you can make an AI call agent using this tool called Newoaks AI. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment.